When you're recovering from an injury, what you eat can either speed up your healing or slow it down. While we often focus on what to include in a recovery diet, it's just as important to know what foods to avoid. Certain ingredients can increase inflammation, weaken your immune system, and interfere with the body's ability to repair itself. Let's start with refined sugars. Excess sugar causes spikes in blood glucose and triggers inflammation throughout the body. It also competes with vitamin C for absorption, a nutrient your body needs to make collagen and rebuild tissue. Limiting sweets, sugary drinks, and processed snacks can go a long way in supporting recovery. Next up are highly processed foods. Packaged snacks, fast food, and frozen meals often contain unhealthy trans fats, sodium, and artificial additives that stress the body and slow the healing process. Instead, choose whole foods, fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to provide your body with natural nutrients and antioxidants. Refined grains, like white bread and white rice, act much like sugar in your body. They cause inflammation and offer little nutritional value. Swap them for whole grain options like oats, quinoa, or brown rice to keep your energy steady and your recovery on track. Be cautious with alcohol as well. Even moderate drinking can dehydrate the body and interfere with protein synthesis, the process your body uses to rebuild muscle and tissue. Alcohol also weakens the immune system, making it harder for your body to fight infection or inflammation after injury. Excessive caffeine can also slow recovery by increasing dehydration and interfering with sleep, two critical elements of healing. You don't have to cut coffee completely, but balance it with plenty of water and avoid caffeine later in the day. One surprising culprit is fried and fatty foods, especially those made with industrial seed oils like soybean, corn, and canola oil. These are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can create an imbalance in your body's inflammation response. Instead, opt for healthier fats like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and omega-3 rich fish. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, and deli slices, can also cause problems. They often contain nitrates, preservatives, and added sodium that promote inflammation. Choosing lean proteins like chicken, turkey, beans, or fish supports healing without the inflammatory side effects. It's also smart to watch your intake of salt. While your body needs some sodium, too much can lead to fluid retention and slow circulation, which delays the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to healing tissues. Finally, keep an eye on artificial sweeteners and chemical additives found in many diet or low-fat products. These can disrupt gut health, which plays a vital role in your immune function and inflammation control. The bottom line, healing happens best in a low-inflammation environment. Avoid foods high in sugar, trans fats, refined carbs, and alcohol. Focus instead on natural, nutrient-dense meals that nourish your body from the inside out. Every bite you take can either help or hinder your recovery, so choose foods that heal, not harm.